Pork tenderloin medallions are my favorite go-to meal whenever I need to cook something quickly and there is no time for complicated preparations. This dish is extremely simple to prepare. It's kid-friendly and doesn't require more than an hour of your time, from start to finish. A simple fried egg and crispy baked potatoes served as the side make this dish perfect. Now let's start cooking. I always start by making the marinade, so the meat has some time to absorb the flavors. We need 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of red paprika, 2 tablespoons of mild mustard, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, salt and pepper to taste. Whisk everything up properly and feel free to add a bit of water in case the marinade becomes too thick. Proceed with cleaning the pork tenderloin now. I'm using 2 pieces, about 500 grams, which is roughly 1 pound each. There is always some silver skin left. Remove all of it with a sharp knife. Once cleaned, slice the tenderloins into about half an inch thick medallions. Now press the pieces down with your fingers to flatten them a bit and drop them into the marinade. Mix everything up to make sure every single tenderloin piece is properly coated with the marinade. Cover the bowl and let the meat absorb the flavors. It's time for the potatoes now. I like to use medium-sized yellow potatoes that I cut into small wedges. When baking potatoes, I almost never remove the skin, but it's optional. Sprinkle the wedges with a good amount of olive oil and generously season with salt and pepper. Toss the bowl to distribute the seasonings and evenly spread out the potatoes over a baking sheet. My preferred way is baking the potatoes skin side down, but again, this is optional. Preheat the oven to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. The potatoes will take about 45 minutes to bake nicely. About 25 minutes later, the potatoes are starting to catch some color, so it's time to proceed with the medallions. Heat up a bit of vegetable oil in a pan on medium-high heat and start frying the first batch of medallions. Pork tenderloin cooks really quickly, you shouldn't need more than about 3 minutes per side. Place the finished medallions in a small pot with the lid on, so they remain hot while the next batch is frying. When planned correctly, all the medallions should be finished more or less at the same time as our potatoes. Just look at the golden brown perfection. Pork tenderloin medallions taste the best when freshly fried, so don't wait and serve immediately. To make this dish complete, add a simple fried egg and a bit of tartar sauce, so we have something to dip the potatoes in. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to come back for more simple recipes just like this one. See you next time!